BT Engineering is the original bricklaying toolmaker. We've been inventing and manufacturing bricklaying tools in Australia since 1957. BT was founded by a man called Bruce Thomas in his garage in Sydney in 1957. Since then, his son and daughter, Jeff and Vicky, managed the business for a number of decades, and I came onto the scene a couple of years ago. BT's been a massive success story in Australia, and really it comes down to a few main things. The first is that we're an old school tool maker, but we couple it with modern technology so we can make the tools of years gone by, but at scale. Secondly, we have a commitment to manufacturing everything from scratch in Australia. We import nothing from overseas, it's all made in-house. We use only Australian steel and quality steel fasteners, and this ensures that our tools last a lifetime. Our brick saws last more than a decade, and our hand tools can last the career of a bricklayer. Brickies love BT's tools because BT has a real commitment to quality. We employ real tradesmen that invent and manufacture the tools and the saws, and as real tradesmen themselves, they make sure that they're manufacturing a product that they would use themselves day in, day out. After supporting Australian bricklayers for over half a century, we're now really excited to also be supporting bricklayers across the UK, Ireland, the US, Canada, and many more countries to come.